Get your tongue off my door. Get it off my door. Next. Get your tongue. Get it off my door. Next. Next. Get your tongue off my door. Thank you. Don't. Stop it. Stop it. Next. Stop licking my door. Stop. Next. Stop licking it. Stop it. Now don't start scratching it, that's worse.
Good morning. You gonna get up? A lot of complaining. Hi.
Cooter, come give me attention. Don't look at me like that. You're scaring me. Don't do that. You look like a shark. Don't do that. See, the thing is, I didn't do anything to you for you to abuse me like that.
Okay, leave it. Leave it. Leave it. No. Leave it.
Everyone meet Taco. No, Taco. He's so beautiful. I love him so much. Don't fall. He's such a little boy, but he's so fast already. I actually think he's a female. Hi.
This is my good mate Hugo. He's a Galapagos tortoise. He's 68 years old. And that puts him in the prime of his life because they can live to 200. His brother Dippy is next door and looks like he's crying around his eye. That's actually a salt secretion. That's how they remove excess salt from the body. They're herbivores. Undoubtedly his favourite food is carrot. Have a go at this beak. Go mate, it's yours. Bang. He loves his neck scratches. He weighs about 150 kilos. Look at that shell. There you go, buddy. Up here. Show us your neck. Show us that neck of yours. Oh.
And the possum's still missing. I'm coming in. Why is there a chicken on your sink? The kittens are still here. There's a duck in your toilet. There's a pig in your shit.
No teeth. No teeth. No teeth. Let me see your big paws. Your big paws. Can I see them? Look at them tiger paws. Open your mouth. Can I see your mouth? Your tiger teeth. Your tiger teeth. Ah, no teeth. No claws either. Look at them big tiger claws. you go.
Maria, no. I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, God, I hate my life. Oh. Well, I'm going in the house. Goodbye.
Then Bonnie, press this button. Press that. Thank you. Now I want you to get it for me. Can you get the drink? No. Get the drink. That. Get this. Get the drink.